There are moments when the Ionian Sea forgets to move. When the water in Navarino Bay becomes so still, it mirrors the sky perfectly. And for a heartbeat, you can't tell where heaven ends and Greece begins. The Venetians knew what they were doing when they built Niokastro here in 1573. From these weathered stones, you can watch the sun sink into the same waters where 3,000 years ago the Battle of Pylos changed the course of ancient warfare. The Spartans learned at that time what the locals have always known. This bay shapes history. Along the bay stretches Divari, a slender finger of sand that shouldn't exist, but does. On one side, the sea pounds endlessly. On the other, the Yalava lagoon sleeps, home to 271 species of birds and Europe's only population of African chameleons. They arrived here centuries ago, probably as stowaways on merchant ships. Now, they're locals, just like the German architect who came for a week and never left, or the London banker who traded spreadsheets for olive groves. Change whispers before it shouts. 20 years ago, these hills held only olive trees and wild herbs. Now championship golf courses trace impossible green geometries across the landscape. The old-timers in the Café Neo will tell you it happened overnight. Although, overnight in Pylos time might mean a decade or two. Then there's Voidokilia, the beach that looks like nature's typography. The perfect omega caved into the coast. Scientists say it's about sediment flow and wave dynamics, but stand here at dawn when the sand is still printed only with ghost crab tracks and science feels inadequate. Homer wrote about this place. Telemachus walks this shore searching for his father Odysseus. Today, a Dutch couple walks the same sand searching for something simpler. A life that moves at the speed of seasons. The fishermen still leave before dawn from Pylos harbor, their boats cutting through water that holds more archaeology than most museums. In the Platea, the same families have run the same tavernas for generations, though lately they are learning to pronounce quinoa and oat milk. Everything is evolving, they say. This is Pylos in the 21st century, ancient enough to humble you, modern enough to live in, and beautiful enough to restructure your entire existence around a view. The megalith builders came here 5,000 years ago. The Mycenaeans, the Spartans, the Venetians, the Ottomans, they all came, conquered, and eventually became part of limestone and olive wood. Now others come. Not conquerors, but something gentler, seekers perhaps. They arrive with laptops and life savings, with dreams of slower mornings and longer dinners. They think they are the ones that are choosing Pylos, but spend enough time here and you realize Pylos chooses you. Pylos chooses you. Pylos chooses you. Thank you so much for watching.